Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INUV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday on Wednesday, so that is where the green line down here at 67 is coming from. And I will say, very impressive recovery. Things were looking pretty sketchy. The first 30 minutes, the price actually did break down below 67, and things were looking real bad. But then the price, what a coincidence, right where it bounced from. The purple line here, which on my chart denotes the very famous 50-period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, it does tend to act as support. And like I said, that's exactly what happened here. Now, is there any way to know that it would have, bounced that strongly off it? No, that was, there's no way you would, could ever see that. But good to see that that purple line ultimately held, and that the price was not only able to get back up above 67, but still remain quite a bit above it. So from that point of view, nothing new has really changed. You still have 67 as that area of support, but also continue now to watch that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving, because yes, right now it is valued at 65 cents, but as Friday and then next week plays out, that line will move itself higher and higher. Therefore, that value will be changing as Friday and then next week play out. So those are going to be the areas of support. As far as resistance levels, as I talked about yesterday, that pink line there, the 200-period moving average, still kind of being the stubborn area. I would definitely agree that it was probably weakened up today, given the price spent quite a bit of time up above that area. However, given the price is still basically right at that level, you still got to consider it a level of resistance. Again, sure, a weakened level of resistance, but a level of resistance nonetheless. But given, like I said, that I would fully agree that this level has been, weakened up as resistance, we should probably map out one more area. So in the event the price can finally get a true break of that 200 period, the next key level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be right up there at about the 90-cent mark. So again, near-term level of resistance, 200 period moving average. Next level after that, up there at 90 cents. All in all, though, started off very rough, but very nice recovery on the bulls' part. So we'll see if they can build upon this momentum going into Friday or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.